In this video, we're comparing Monday.com versus Trello, two of the most popular project management tools. If you're trying to stay organized, manage your team better, or just keep your projects from falling apart, chances are you've looked into one of these apps. But which one actually makes more sense for you? That's what I'll help you figure out. We'll look at how they're different, what they're good at, where they fall short, and how they feel to use day to day. And by the way, if you want to see how both of these tools compare to others like ClickUp, Notion, or Rike, I put together a free comparison chart. It's the ultimate overview of the top project management platforms. Grab it from the link below. And if you already know Monday or Trello is your pick, my affiliate links are in the description too. No extra cost to you, and it helps support the channel. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. What's it like getting started with each one? Let's start with the basics, what each tool feels like the moment you log in. Trello keeps things very simple. You get a blank board with cards and columns. It uses something called the Kanban method, which is moving cards from one list to another as you make progress. It's super visual. You can drag tasks around, check things off, and add comments. So if you've ever used sticky notes on a whiteboard, you'll get Trello in about 5 minutes. Now, Monday.com feels different. Right away, there's a lot more going on. It's colorful and nice to look at, but it can also feel a little overwhelming at first. There are more buttons, more tabs, and way more ways to view your work. It's still easy to use once you get into it, but the learning curve is definitely steeper compared to Trello. So, if you want something that just works right out of the box, Trello is easier to jump into. But if you want more control and are okay spending a bit more time figuring things out, Monday gives you that. Which one has more features? Now, let's talk about what these tools can actually do. Trello sticks with what it does best, managing tasks on a board. You can set deadlines, tag teammates, and organize your work using labels and checklists. Now, if you want more advanced stuff, you'll need to use what Trello calls power-ups, which are basically add-ons or integrations. Some are free and some are not. Either way, Trello stays simple unless you build on top of it. Now, Monday.com, on the other hand, is packed with built-in features. You can still use a Kanban board like Trello, but you also get things like a calendar view, Gantt charts, which are great for timelines, dashboards, time tracking, task dependencies, and automation. You can customize almost everything from how your tasks look to how they flow across your board. So, the trade-off is clear. Trello is lighter, faster, and easier to use. Monday is more powerful, but can feel a little overkill if you don't need all the extras. Do they work well with other apps? Both tools let you connect to other apps, which is super important if your team uses tools like Slack, Google Drive, or Zoom every day. Trello gives you unlimited power-ups even on the free plan. That means you can hook it up to your calendar, cloud storage, or messaging apps with no problem. Trello also has a great automation tool called Butler that lets you create simple rules, like automatically moving a task to done when it's checked off, and you don't need to know how to code. Now, Monday.com also connects to tons of tools, from Microsoft Teams to Salesforce. Its automations are more advanced, and it even lets you build sequences, assign tasks automatically, and send updates when a project moves forward. But here's the thing. Monday limits the number of automation and integration actions per month based on your plan. Go over the limit, and you'll have to upgrade. So if you want flexibility without worrying about limits, Trello feels more open. But if you're looking for stronger built-in workflows and more options, Monday can handle more, if you're okay managing the limits. Are they easy to use, especially with a team? Ease of use is a big deal, especially when your whole team needs to get on board. Trello is pretty much ready to go. Most people can figure it out in minutes. You move cards, assign people, and start tracking progress without needing any setup. Collaboration is basic, but effective. You can mention teammates, add comments, and share boards. That's about it. But for a lot of teams, that's enough. Now, Monday.com takes a bit more time to learn. There's more to set up, more options to sort through, and a lot more flexibility. But they make it easier with their Monday Academy, which has short video lessons and walkthroughs. Once you get used to it, you can collaborate in more ways. You can edit documents together, brainstorm on a whiteboard, and even create dashboards to keep clients in the loop. So, Trello is great for teams that want to start fast. Monday is better for teams that want to build out more advanced workflows, even if it takes a little more time at the beginning. How do their prices compare? Let's talk money, because for most of us, that matters. Trello's free plan covers up to 10 users per workspace. You can get unlimited cards, 10 boards, power-ups, mobile apps, and 250 automation runs a month. It's solid for small teams. When billed annually, the standard plan is $5 per user per month with unlimited boards and more automations. Premium is $10, adding calendar, timeline, dashboards, and unlimited automations. Enterprise starts at $17.50 per user per month with advanced controls and security. Now, Monday.com's free plan is more limited, just 2 users and 3 boards. The first real plan, Basic, starts at $9 per user per month when billed annually, but that doesn't include much beyond storage and viewers. Standard at $12 adds timeline views, guests, and light automation. Pro at $19 gives you time tracking, private boards, and a big jump in automation. Also, Monday requires a minimum of 3 seats, even if you're just one person. So, if you're on a budget or just getting started, Trello gives you more for free. But if you need dashboards, custom workflows, and team-level features, Monday might be worth the extra costs. Which one is better for growing teams? As your team grows, your tool needs to grow with you. Trello works really well for small teams, freelancers, and startup-style projects. But as your team grows and your projects get more complicated, it can start to feel a bit limited. You'll probably end up adding more power-ups or even switching to another tool altogether. Monday.com, on the other hand, is built with scaling in mind. It lets you manage multiple projects, create dashboards to track performance, and build workflows that fit the way your team actually works. It's used by big companies and agencies for a reason. If you have different departments, lots of moving parts, or need to track resources across projects, Monday can handle all of that. So if you're just starting out or keeping things simple, Trello will do just fine. But if you expect your needs to grow and you don't want to switch tools later, Monday is probably the better long-term option. So, which one should you choose? After breaking it all down, here's the honest truth. Trello is better if you want something that's easy, fast, and affordable. It works great for personal projects, small teams, or anyone who just wants to get organized without overthinking it. Monday.com is better if you're managing bigger teams, complex projects, or need more control over how your work is structured. It takes more time to set up, and it costs more, but it gives you a lot more in return. They're both good. They're just built for different kinds of users. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. Now, if you need help choosing the right project management tool for your business, I've put together a free chart comparing all the top options side by side, their pros, their cons, and who they're best for. To grab it, there's a link in the description. And if you already know that Monday.com or Trello is the one for you, my links are also in the description. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.